10:39 p.m. Why am I filming at 10:39 p.m.? Well, something's telling me if I don't do it now, I won't do it ever. So here is an updated tour of my room.
Now, how in the heck am I supposed to show y'all the updated if I ain't show y'all the old clips? So here's the old clips of what my room used to look like. I know it used to look boring and basic, and my bed was facing the wall. Here's my old meditation table. Here's my old clothing rack. Now back to the video.
I'm going to show you what's going on in my room, see if y'all like anything, and if y'all do, please leave comments below. I am looking for more decorum pieces, and I'll explain all that towards the end of the video, what I'm looking for. But I just wanted to go ahead and start off with a tour. So here is my rest room, and it has granite countertops. It has a huge mirror, bright lights. The only thing I don't like about my room is everything is yellow lights, so I may be changing all of this. But anyways, here's the bathroom. I just did a basic gray theme. Here's a bar where you can hold your towels and stuff. And then I actually bought this from Amazon. I just like this because I can hang like my sponges and loofahs and shower brushes and stuff off of this. I also put soaps and stuff in here, and I have a lot of different soaps and stuff that I use. And here from my bathroom is connected to my room. The maids came, y'all, so the carpet is looking like, yes. What is love? You know, like it's just giving me life besides my footprints. So that's another reason why I'm filming, because I wanted to show y'all before that went away. Anyways, here's my closet. Closet is using maximum space. I bought this shelf from Target, and then these shoe containers are from Amazon, both sets. So I bought these sets with the little holes in them first, and then these with the little side open doors. They came from Amazon later. But I am maximizing the space by putting my shoes on upper shelves here, because instead of bringing them down to the closet floor, so my floor is completely empty in my closet except for that TJ Maxx bag full of other book bags and stuff. But I also organized like things by color. Here is my favorite corner of my entire room. Obviously, one, I have the hanging rack, or the shelf as you call it, whatever you want to call it, and I organized all of my shoes down here. Everything when it comes to clothes for me is organized by Roy G. Biv. I just prefer to have it that way. So I have like whites, and it just goes from like pink, because obviously I didn't do any red. I decided to do a spring, look at my nails, but I decided to do like a spring kind of theme. So I decided to do it that way, like all of your pastel type of colors. That's what's currently hanging, and that's what this vibe is about. And then same thing with my shoes. So I started from white, Roy G. Biv, then I started with slides, and then sandals. So everything is just organized that way. I do put purses in this little box. I got this box from Amazon as well. And these sunglasses array, I got this from Amazon. So all of these glasses are from Shein, but the glass rack is from Amazon itself. It is acrylic. And then of course, like I have my bangles hanging on one of my gold elephants. Here you can see me and my boyfriend and the teddy bear that he gave me. But this is like a jewelry tray that I DIY'd. I basically took a tray from Walmart that was like a plate and sprayed the inside of it gold, and I put all my gold jewelry there. And then I got these acrylic ring holders from Amazon. They can hold like all the rings that you have, and I'm gonna have more rings to come, so I wanted to order something to organize it. Underneath, I just have an ottoman. In this ottoman, I have everything photography, so it literally has my cameras and everything. Today, I'm not filming with the camera. I'm actually filming with my phone, as you can see in my mirror. When I tell y'all I love this full body mirror. So I got this full body mirror from Walmart, and it was originally $99. Look at me. But it was originally $99. But the thing about this is, I got it for sale for $64. So if y'all are not looking at the Walmart app, I don't know what's wrong with y'all, but I was so happy I copped this. And if anyone knows me, I drive a convertible, so it was very hard to put this in my car. I drove with the top down like a crazy person and drove it all the way home. This mirror is amazing. So basically the whole concept is I grab clothes from my rack. Like I can literally grab, I don't know, I'm just gonna grab something random. I can literally grab it, see if I'm feeling it or not, see if I want to put it on. I'm like, yeah. And then I can grab my shades, grab my jewelry, pick out some shoes, and go about my day. I also have a dresser, which is right here. And so all of my folded clothes are in there. And then voila, here is my bed. So no, I like my bed being here. It's very far away from the door now. It's far away from my clothes, my mirror, and everything else. And then also it's facing the TV. So when my bed headboard was against this wall, I constantly had to look this way to look at the TV, versus if I'm sitting up against my pillows, I can still look this way, but I'm sitting straight up and not laying down, if you get me. Here, I just placed a little tray. This is the other tray that I DIY that I sprayed gold on the inside. Of course, you'll see a bunch of Bath and Body Works candles. I'm sorry, but all sage. This is also a sage spray, linen spray, and then I have a crystal here. So just kind of like cleansing my bed space, because I just feel like your bed has to be cleaned and cleansed at all times. I am purchasing a lot of things from Amazon, and again, I will show you what I got and how it's gonna add more value to the room. I do have another dresser drawer over here. It just has a few like elephants on it for my sorority, and then gifts that people given me over time. And then over here, this is what I call my meditation table. So underneath I do have like cameras and charger and technology and stuff, but here I have a picture of me and my family when we were at Universal Studios. I have my plants surrounding the meditation table, more things that I collected from places that I went on vacation. So me and my boyfriend went to the beach together, so I have like seashells and rocks and things that we collect. I also have a cologne cigar fragrance for my grandfather there, an elephant, and then I have a singing bowl addiction. So I have the mini singing bowl, and then I have this one for the heart chakra, and then I have a plant, water, and everything. So I'm just using all of this to like meditate, and it's right here in front of the window. So what I normally do is open up this window, get down, meditate. Here is my journal right below the photo. So what I will do is I will write in that journal before, or just write down all my thoughts and what's going on, what I'm feeling, and I have bright light coming through that one window. This is the only window in my room. So also all my plants are over here for a reason, because they obviously need light, and as you can see, they're all flourishing. So I kind of need the light to come in through this, and I don't have any other source of natural light coming in to this room. Even on top of my dresser drawer, I do have some fake plants and things and pictures of me and my family. So yeah, so that is about it, guys. For my whole room, of course, I have my TV here. It just has elephants and everything. Don't mind my iPad sitting on top, but and I have all my books down here. So these are all the books that I'm currently like reading and looking into. It's like I just got a new iPad. You guys will see that review video. And then a cool thing about my room is I do have a fan remote, so I can turn the fan on and off. I can also turn that on and off, or I can lower the lights. Ooh, so I don't know why I just made that awkward sound. Okay, but yeah, you guys, that is the whole experience of my room.
And here is my Amazon cart. So I want to get a new shower head that's bronze, some organizers to go underneath my bathroom sink, Also, some new bookshelves because I want to organize some more accessories and things that are coming in from Shein. Stuff for my iPad. Go check out my iPad review video. Also, some cup holders for my vehicle, which is just random. But underneath that, I'm also going to get some plant clips and a new laundry basket. The plant clips are going to help me take the leaves away from getting too much sun next to my window. And then the laundry basket is just needed because the current bag that I have, I hate it. It's not stable and it gets full quickly. So this will help me do laundry better.
Okay, so now y'all have seen what's in my cart for Amazon Prime, and I can't wait to show you guys what else I decide to order. Once those things arrive, I will give you an update and do an unboxing and review. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also go ahead and follow me on all my social media. Of course, like the video, leave a comment, and I hope you guys have a good day.